is just so grey. Tell myself I'm okay, then I fucking fade away. Never ending cycle of betray, I gotta say. Love with all my heart and then they leave me on the way, yeah.